Oh, look at the hail! Fuck! Ah! I have to get this. Ow! It's fucking out! That shit just hit me right in the fucking head. Oh, that shit just hit me so bad in the head. Ow! This shit's hurting me so bad. It hurts. Ow! Oh my god! The lights are still on at the playground. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, my socks are wet! Oh god! The water is so cool! Oh my god! Look at the field! Look at the field! Look at this shit! Okay. Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Holy fuck! Whoa shit! Oh my god! Whoa! What the fuck? Oh! Oh shit! Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me! Oh my god, the big lights! The soccer lights got turned off! Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me! Woo! Oh shit! Holy moly! What is that noise? Hold on. Oh no, did I damage the GoPro? There's like one. Hold on. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my fucking god. I gotta get home. I gotta get home. I got to get home. Oh my god. I don't know if I lost my phone. I don't remember if I had it with me. Oh my gosh. Fuck, how am I gonna get across this? There's so much water. How do I get across? Okay, there. Whoa. We made it. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. Dude. Woo! I can't believe we did that. I'm trying to remember. I don't know if I had my phone on me. What the hell? Why does it look blue? It looked blue for a second. Oh my god. That scared me so bad. Fuck, I think I lost my... Oh no, I have it, yeah, I have it, okay. Good news everyone, I have my phone. Because I usually put it in this pocket, and not these ones. I got the zipper. Let me try and clean the lens again. That was so scary. The lightning was so close to me, and I'm in the middle of the field, and the lightning struck, because I know, like, don't stand under a tree. Yeah, don't stand in the field either. Okay, please don't do what I did. Pros at 15%. That is crazy. Oh, I see flashing lights over here. I don't know who that is. I don't know if that's a car or something. My sweatpants are soaked. My socks are soaked. Now it's slow down. It's slow down now. I heard some weird noise happening, like over there. It was like beep, 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 like that, like a bird almost. I'm like, what is that noise? Got so much muck in my sandals too. I ran out here in sandals. Typical Chicago thing, by the way. It's so hard for me to see because of my glasses. But we're gonna take a look over here. The park is covered, the playground is covered in hail. Like the lightning won't stop. It just keeps going. That's why I was scared. I'm like, man, I gotta stay away from these streets. Look at this, it looks like it snowed. Look at this. This is the end of March, I think March 30th. Look at this. It looks like there's snow. Look. Look at this all. Dude, what? Look at this. Some are shaped like this. Some are shaped like circles. What? Look at this one. Look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one. It looks like it's snowing. Look at all this. What the hell? Look at this shit. Oh my gosh. What? Look at all of it. Look at all of this. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I need to tell Lloyd if we lost power because the park did. I can't believe I caught that on camera. Look, this park flooded. I didn't know floods are here. Woo! Storm chaser, part-time, meaning only when there's a bad storm like this. But look at the hell. This is like what it looked like the one time in March. Another time in March. Flooded over here too. This park floods a lot. And the other places I went to, there was so much water. Right there by the baby playground. And there too. Wow. I can't believe how close. I think the pro caught when the lightning strike hit in the field. Because I'm like, oh shit, I got so scared. Excuse me for my language. I'm pretty sure anybody would be scared. Well, I don't know. Whew. I could get some pretty good pictures too with this. I'll probably see if there's a way. Yeah, I could take some pictures. I should take the park too, real quick. Oh, I didn't even see this. What in the world? Hold on. Let's go over here real quick. Hold up. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo! Yo! It looks like somebody poured a bag of ice. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at all. It's like someone put a bag of ice here. Broke it open. Look at this. Let me see, by the way. GoPro survives death once again. Look at this. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. And probably over here too. Man, I think I'm having a low blood sugar. Type 1 diabetic, by the way. Not too much there, but oh my gosh. If there's any other ice places, I'll take pictures of it. It's definitely going on Gouda cheese. If anybody wants to use this video, please, for the love of God, credit me. I don't like it when people use my videos, so no one ever has me yet. Wow. Yeah, I'll take pictures. I already took video. I might take another one, but I'm gonna take pictures for now. All right. Woo! Can't believe this. Illinois, Chicago, by the way.